Arrest warrants. What I did, officer?
Hello, mate. How are you? You are a good man.
Cheers, mate!
At night, he was in the lockup.
I don't know where he go.